just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2018 Dodge Journey SXT SUV that is factory certified, which means your investment will be protected for years to come. On the outside of this Journey, we have heated and power door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and rear back head camera. Inside, you'll find comfortable cloth seating for 7, illuminated entry, telescoping steering wheel, and push-to-start technology. The 4.3-inch LCD display has Uconnect Voice Command with Bluetooth to keep you connected. This one-owner 2018 Dodge Journey has less than 40,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.